Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you best AI image generator free for iPhone. Okay, so the first app that I want to show you is the app that everybody knows, which is the Canva app. Okay, in the Canva app there's plenty of things to do. Actually, you can edit your photos, generate your images to AI. Basically it is a whole combination of image editing. Okay, so basically this is a great app to actually use if you haven't had the idea yet, or you haven't used it yet. You can have a free trial inside the app, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna just go ahead and try it out, and if you liked it you can start using it again, and with limited option, but it will generate your images for free in the AI status. Okay, the second app that I want to show you, which is Arta. Okay, I'm gonna show you the app right here. Let me search for it. And Arta is one of the apps as well that allows you to generate images for free. So basically you will see right here, transform ideas into art, and you're gonna have here your image and everything, and you can create art from your text as well if you want to generate it into a photo. And you can discover your AI avatar right here, and find an inspiration right here if you want to discuss or promote right here the image that you want them to do it for you. Okay, and the third app and the last app that I want to show you, which is pretty common, but it is quite good actually, which is PicsArt. Okay, in the PicsArt app you can just go ahead right here, and it's like Canva, more like Canva. You can download it and start generating your photos into an AI. It's a great app to use. You can see it right here. You can create your own AI avatars and the dress or the clothing that you are using for this avatar. Let's say for example you took a picture of yourself with a certain type of clothes. Actually PicsArt allows you to generate your own photos into like different kind of clothes, whether it was a dress, suit, whatever. Okay, and here it says turn text into art with the AI as well. If you want to leave a like or remove background right here, you can always do that. And if you want to generate let's say for example the ice cone right here into like space and galaxy, you can always do that as well. And remove background, of course, and you can just go ahead and create colleges right here. And as you can see, with the many different sizes and shapes that you actually have, you can use in order to help your photo become more beautiful. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.